Good afternoon. Maori are the latest group to wade into the battle to prevent the government selling off a stake in the country's 4 state-owned power companies. Iwi representatives are launching a legal challenge at the Waitangi Tribunal in Wellington over the ownership of water rights and geothermal assets. James Ransley reports.
The government may have won the battle over asset sales, but it appears the war isn't over yet.
Before the state-owned enterprise sale goes ahead, the question of who owns the water ought to be answered.
It's a question the Maori Council, representing various hapu throughout the country, has taken to the Waitangi Tribunal. Last month, the government passed its controversial bill allowing the partial sale of 4 publicly owned power companies. The first up, Mighty River Power, with shares expected to go on sale in September. The Maori Council hoping to postpone those plans until the ownership issue has been resolved.
We don't believe anybody owns water. What we do accept is that people own water rights, and we don't think the sale of 49% of Mighty River Power in any way impinges on those water rights.
The urgent hearing will also consider whether treaty claimants are being denied a future stake in the power companies. The Prime Minister says any decision isn't binding on the government.
We could choose to ignore whatever findings they might have. I'm not saying we would, but we could.
The government admits if it does reject the tribunal's findings, Māori could take its case to the High Court.
As far as my people are concerned, we have a saying, ko te wai, ko au te wai. We are the water is us.
It's still unclear when the tribunal will give its decision, the government now bracing for the legal challenge ahead. James Ransley, One News.